Evening, ladies and gentlemen.
What could I say after it's done?
Хранить деньги в сберегательной кассе. Если, конечно, не...
What's up guys? So welcome back to our YouTube channel. Dito tayo ngayon sa Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. So today is very special because it's Father's Day today. So merong special na display ngayon dito sa Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. So sinarado nila ngayon dito sa Abueva Drive. Pakita ko sa inyo. So ito yung parang connecting ng Building A to Building B. So dito naman yung display ng cars sa baba, Abueva Drive. So ito, unang-una sa pila yung kay Kev, yung S15 niya. Nandito yung Jimny Tykes ni Alex. Jimny Tykes and AE86 ni Alex. Then kay Gio, Vitz. Ito kay Irvin, si Kev. Kev, hi. Kay Irv, M3 BM na touring. Ganda na ito. M3 competition. Pusa dito. Hello. Ano pa meron dito? Meron pa dito M2 ni 1118 Autospa. M2 competition din. M2 competition. So more on Euro setup dito. Then this Mercedes-Benz. So ito yung nakita ko sa ACG AMG. Ganda. Meron dito ang RWBC Teresa. Kanina dito si RWB Tobero kaso malis na siya. Super wide. Then Beetle, Cream Beetle. Then dito naman tayo sa kabila, Miata, color red. Miata, then Euro 2. Kay Kyle ata to. Too low for you. Sobrang linis. Sobrang linis. Ganda ng wheels. AEG. Ay, ano pala? Two-door. Two-door na ESI. Civic, Legends of the 90s. BM. Ito, wagon. Moet, Chandon. Ito, BM. Anong BM to? Baba rin, no? X3. Ah, okay. Ito, Torque, Unlimited, Integra, tsaka Crown. Integra Type R with Vogue Racing wheels. Yung emblem niya, Acura pa. Toyota Crown, Royal Saloon. Yan, mga AirPods nandito. Celebrating Father's Day. Dito lang yan sa Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Di pala kay Gio to. Kay Jim. So, pasukin natin yung loob. This is a two-door Gen 1 Vitz RS. Naka-extension na yung ano niya. Ride seats. TRD shift knob. TRD steering wheel. Carbon loading.
Nag-pressing value and like kasi before hindi ko hilig yung bios na yung Aura Batman. Like all of a sudden I'm like okay I'm like they're calling it the SIR daw. Ngayon, yung
Okay guys, so we are here with Banawe Boy. I have one question, brother.
GG.
It's Father's Day today.
Okay.
Meron ba naging influence yung father mo kung bakit ka naging car enthusiast today?
Okay. For me kasi, ever since I was a kid, like, it was a big factor for me kasi yung dad ko, mahilig din naman talaga. But the thing is, when our dad left us, that medyo nawala, to be honest. Pero syempre, nung pagtanda ko and eventually, which my brother really did a big factor to influence me with cars. Siya talaga yung parang naging tatay ko na rin. So, eventually, when he really pushed that, yung talagang, alam mo yung mahilig siya, na-influence niya tayo kung ano yung mahilig niya, it is really a big factor kasi it's who you look up to. Remember? I mean, your dad usually is the one who you look up to when you were a kid and everything. So, it's a big factor for me because they are the one who will influence you to the good things or hobbies that you really want eventually. So, yep, I'm pretty sure I'll definitely say yes with that.
Okay, so we are here with Irv of Stance Pilipinas. So brother, one question lang. So since it's Father's Day today, would you say na yung father mo na-influence ka kung bakit ka naging car enthusiast today?
Actually, yes. Sobrang laki ng influence ng dad ko dahil una, mechanic din siya. So, ever since nag-mekaniko siya, so lagi akong nandun, taga-abot ng tools, kung anong kailangan niya, kaya medyo natuto din ako. So, yun, ever since lagi akong nasa ilalim ng kotse, talyer talaga actually.
So kumbaga na rin early stages pa lang talaga ng buhay mo,
Yes,
exposed ka na talaga sa
exposed ka
kotse,
talaga sa kotse.
hanggang sa paglaki,
Yup.
hanggang sa ito na. Full blown car enthusiast na talaga. Yun lang, thank you brother.
Thank you, brother.
Okay, hi guys. So we are here with
Cassie.
Ayun, so one question lang. So since it's Father's Day today, would you say na yung father mo na-influence ka kung bakit ka naging car enthusiast today?
Of course, kasi yung daddy ko, yun yung may pinakamalahing influence sa akin sa pagkakotse. Simula nung hindi pa ako pinapanganak, nagme-mekaniko na siya, lumaki din siya sa kotse, sa lolo ko. Tapos, actually, etong kotse ko, daddy ko din yung nag-influence sa akin, pati yung lolo ko. Kasi yung lolo ko, favorite car niya to. Daddy ko, favorite car to. Parang naman ako, kahit hindi nila parang pinapamana sa akin, hindi nila inaano sa akin. Actually, sa amin na magkakapatid, binamana yung pag-alam sa kotse. Minsan tumutulong kami, pakunti-kunti sa paggawa, ganyan. Eto, super hands-on kami ng dad ko dito kasi kami yung full rebuild neto sa bahay lang.
Tapos bata ka pa lang, sobrang na-expose ka na agad sa car culture.
Ever since I can remember, puro kotse na yung mga nakaparada sa bahay, iba-ibang kotse na ginagawa. Pero nung dati, hindi pa ako nakakaintindi sa kotse. Hindi ko alam, ay mga rare na pala yung mga ganito. Yung mga kotse, ganyan. Hindi ko alam na ano pala to, magagandang kotse pala to. So now, parang nasa edad na ako, na-appreciate ko na, naintindihan ko na. Pero actually, ngayon pa lang ako nagsisimula na parang attend natin sa meet. Last year lang, yung ano ko. Tapos ngayon, parang one year pa lang ako nag-attend sa mga meet, punta sa mga event, ganyan. So hopefully, madami pa ako mapuntahan.
Last question, anong special message mo sa father?
So, father ko, happy Father's Day. Of course, thank you very much sa lahat na naging impluwensya mo sa aming magkakapatid. Kasi minahal namin kung ano yung mga minamahal mo. At na-appreciate namin yun. Tapos lahat, syempre ng dugot pawis niya. Ito. Kaya iba yung joy ko tuwing dinadrive ko siya.
Thank you, Cassie. Happy Father's Day. Okay guys, so dito tayo ngayon sa roof deck of Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung situation sa baba. Ang daming kotse papasok sa Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. At the same time, kung makikita nyo, meron din meet doon sa Parkal. May meet yung mga Mazda people doon. May mga Mazda enthusiasts, mga 323, mga ganon. May meet din sila doon. So, dito tayo ngayon sa taas. So, let's check out the cars here. Honestly, medyo onti yung mga attendees ngayon kasi hati-hati yung mga meets ngayon. Meron sa Parkal, meron sa Met Park ng Grupo Toyota. So, ito naman si Stance. Meron din. And at the same time, mga ibang mall rin. Meron din silang mga activation for Father's Day. Let's check out the cars here. So, dito yung kotse ni Kuya Dayday. Ito yung Innova. Sobrang baba ng Innova na to. Then Yaris of BJ Team Zodiacs, the prettiest na Marlboro, then Itasha na EG, another EG, Mugen, si Darrell, kadating lang. Ito, Yaris ni Jerome. It's your boy, Figure 8. Love Life, 86. Then itong yung Yaris na to, sobrang bastos, sobrang baba. Super low, on air, and I believe naka-sound system to. Naka-wall sa likod. Jazz dito. Ito kay Andre. Team 150. Broker. Bagong group, Broker. Ito, Vits, naka NK Tri-Spoke Selbach. High Ace, EG, then Yaris Cross. So like what I've said, medyo onti lang yung attendees today since maraming meet din. Simultaneous na nangyari. Different locations. Ating Orthia ni Mafi nandito. Wagon. Ito kay Kenzo. Yung nangyayari dun, ang daming tao dun ah. Hi guys, so we are here with
Tyrone O'Neill.
Since it's Father's Day today, would you say that your dad has influenced you on becoming a car enthusiast today?
Definitely. And like not what you call the very standard car enthusiast in a way. He would influence me to what would we say, like siguro like F1, like a lot of people are in F1 today. Like he introduced me rally racing. So like that's where a lot of my influence would come from. Although it's evolved over time since depending on what's surrounding me, especially that my dad isn't around anymore.
Can you give us like an example na yung ginagawa nyo together, yung naging foundation on becoming a car enthusiast now?
Syempre as a kid it would start with the toys, pero pinaka landmark memories would be when he bought me a copy of Colin McRae 2004.
PS1?
On PC.
PC,
Tapos
PC
yung mga pirated games pa yun, yung copy-paste pa yung crack and stuff like that. Good times.
Mga codes.
Yeah, good times.
With this, ngayon ko lang kasi ulit nakita si Tyrone for a very long time. And it's very rare to see a Isuzu Highlander. So, quick tour.
Yes,
Can we do a
of
quick
course.
tour of the Highlander? So, ito guys, pakita ko sa inyo. This is the Isuzu Highlander. Yan. Diesel?
Diesel.
Yan.
I don't think they came in gas.
Yan. Highlander. And with the OG ever since sticker way back 2011?
That's actually edited.
Ay, 2016 pala.
I edited it because I cut it. It's yung patong.
Oo.
So hinati ko tapos
Ginawa mong one-liner.
Diretso ko.
Pero ito, malalaman yung OG kasi wala pang
Thunder.
wala pang Thunder yung E. So yun yung mga early stages nung logo design nung ever since. So anyway, so can we show the inside?
Yes.
Wala tayo sa Isuzu Highlander. Ano bang mga binago mo na dito sa Isuzu Highlander?
Actually, there was a time before the pandemic, nakamags ako, like, they considered yung rare na work carvings.
Yeah.
It was, I repainted it to gold, pero it kept rubbing, and like after the pandemic, I kinda got tired, even without lowering. So, ito, back to stock with, it's hard to find the original hubcaps, so Lazada, Shopee hubcaps na lang. But they look really good in my opinion, they look close to OEM. Pero besides that, everything is stock.
Yeah. Stock one din, no?
No, well, it's a one din. Obviously, hindi na siyang stock head unit. But then I'm looking for an Isuzu head unit, pero syempre hindi yung period correct. Maybe something with an aux pa rin. Besides that, you know, mga creature comforts. Kasi wala akong cup holder, so
And
I put a cup holder and my little MagSafe, you know. I'm not sure those are really mods, and my more cup holders.
So what are some things that you like about this car?
I love its dependability. Kasi cars nowadays, kahit may konting error, or like a little, like for example, with a bad O2 sensor, your car will run bad. It had so many leaks na, pero tatakbo rin siya ng tatakbo hanggang, you know, you just have to know what's wrong with it. Kasi pag hindi mo tinutukan na kung anong sira niya,
masasabugan ka ng makina.
It's giving you signs already. So
Yeah, look at the signs and like kung kailan mo kaya ibigyan ng attention, that's when you get it fixed.
And you've mentioned earlier, this was your dad's
Yes,
car.
this was my late father's car. We're the first owner, so like sentimental value hindi ko ma-let go. And so the inspiration of this quote-unquote build is, to preserve na lang.
What are some things naman na you don't like about this car?
What I don't like, it's slow.
Given.
Given being a diesel. Actually yung number one na hate ko. It's not about the car, it's mainly about what it does to the people around me. I don't like ASBU. Anti-smoke belt.
Those guys.
Yeah. ASBU.
I think that's about it. So this was Tyrone's Highlander. Okay, hi guys. So we are here with Sir
Jay.
Sir Jay. So first of all, happy Father's Day po.
Thank you, Jerome.
Tapos one question. So since it's Father's Day today, would you say that your dad has influenced you on becoming a car enthusiast today?
Definitely, Jerome. Kasi when I was a kid, he was into collecting yung mga hot rod magazines, and then from there, when I was browsing those magazines, nakikita ko talaga yung mga kotse, mga mags, lahat and everything. And my car had 4 cars before. Meron siyang Galant na Colt Galant na 2-door na may sunroof, and he owned like 2 big bikes, may Harley Davidson and a Yamaha. So talagang we would always drive around, lalo na sa Yamaha. We would go into trips, and then also teach me a thing or two pagkalikot ng mga kotse. So definitely a great influence. That's where my love for cars came from. Yeah, exactly.
I overheard na yun nga, dad ka na rin.
Yes.
Ngayon, ikaw naman yung nag-i-influence
Yes.
sa anak, sa mga younger generation.
Yes. I have 2 kids. So one is a 17-year-old and I have a 6-year-old. So yung 17 ko, she's gonna be 18 this coming October.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, thank you. And then so she asked me, I asked her kung ano ba gusto niya, if she wants a debut or a grand party, or she wants me to build her her own car. So ito, nakita namin nga itong Eclipse, nakita namin sa marketplace, and it was really parang magandang base or project car. So yeah, ito na yung advance birthday gift ko for her. So yeah, we're building it right now. So it's still work in progress. Exactly.
Yun lang, sir. Thank you so much, and happy Father's Day.
All right.
Hi guys, so we are here with
Kevin Herrera
and
Akira.
Hi Akira. And Kev, first of all, happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
And I have
thanks.
Okay, thanks. So since it's Father's Day today, would you say that your dad has influenced you on being a car enthusiast today?
Basically, growing up, si Papa talaga yung kasama ko sa kotse. Pero he passed away early. So, ako na lang nagtuloy ng mga projects niya.
Project niya to natin?
Before. Kasi first owned kami niyan. So,
then, ikaw na
ako na lang nagtuloy, yes. So, basically, yung mga late night drives sa kanya nagsimula.
Pagdating na ngayon, ikaw na ang nagle-late night drive.
Next time, siya naman yung magka-car meet.
Yun lang. Thank you, Kev.
Ariga, thanks.
Happy Father's Day. Hi guys, we are here with
Lorenzo Legarda.
Hi Lorenzo, Jerome, nice to meet you. So I've seen the photos. So since it's Father's Day today, I have one question for you, bro. Would you say that your dad has influenced you on becoming a car enthusiast today?
Obviously, yes. Of course, he was the man who introduced me into the world of motoring. Obviously, the cars. In our free time, we would go to car shows during his living years. But unfortunately, already passed away 3 years ago. I dedicate the car meets for him because in his living years, he is such a car enthusiast.
Your father would be very proud on what you are doing today and still continuing the legacy of this car. Hey lang, brother. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yun, so I think this is going to be a short vlog lang. But So since Father's Day episode ngayon, since wala rin naman nagtanong sa akin, ang dami kong tinanong kanina, then siguro yung sagot ko dun sa tanong ko kanina, 100% yes. Merong influence sa akin yung AirPods ko kung bakit ako naging car enthusiast ngayon. Feeling ko naman tatlo yan eh. Tatlong factors yan kung paano ka magiging car enthusiast. Number 1, yung AirPods mo mahilig sa kotse. Then eventually, mapipick up mo sa AirPods mo. Number 2, which is the sport itself. Like racing, rally, drifting. Doon isa yun sa mga influence. And then the third one would be the media, which is Initial D, Tokyo Drift, everything else na racing, like Need for Speed, yan, mga ganyan, yung mga media na yan. But the big part of me being a car enthusiast was because of my dad. Sad to say na hindi niya na may kita yung mga pinaggagawa ko ngayon sa car culture, pero I know he will be very proud of me. And siguro what really cemented it was yun nga, yung bonding namin nung buhay pa siya. Siguro earliest memory ko with my father would be yung pagpauwi na kami, tapos nilalagay niya ako sa lap niya, tapos ako yung magsisteer nung manobela. Lagi ako nag-look forward na pag umaalis kami, then pag pauwi na, ako na yung magdadrive ng kotse. Kahit hindi ko pa abot yung pedal, basta siya yung aapak ng pedal, tapos ako yung mag-guide nung steering wheel. Yun, dun na talaga, as in, every time na pupunta kami ng mga car show, ganun, kasama niya ako. Dumating na sa point na ako na yung nagyayaya sa car show. Yun, sayang hindi niya na naabutan yung time na ako na yung nag-organize ng mga car meet. Shit. Ako. So, yun nga, sayang hindi niya nakita yung nagagawa ko na ako na yung nagpapa-car meet, ako yung nag-organize. Tapos, yun, siguro sana proud siya sa mga na nagagawa ko ngayon. And yun lang, if sana kung mapanood mo to, happy Father's Day sa'yo pa. I love you. Yun lang. So siguro dito na magtatapos yung video natin for today. Siguro if umabot ka sa part ng video na to, comment down below Father, yun. And if gusto nyo bumili ng merch, you can buy our merch at www.eversince-streetclub.com. Don't forget the dash pa sa kayo mapunta. And as always, thank you so much for watching. This is Jerome Monastrial. See you on the next vlog. Hey lang! Janet!